This 2015 Forest River XLR Thunderbolt 300X12 HP double slide, 12 feet rear cargo area is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 7, slideout, self-contained, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, skylight, TV, and 92 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2015 Forest River XLR Thunderbolt 300X12 HP double slide, 12 feet rear cargo area is 10,395 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.